AI generated 3-course meal challenge. What if AI could create an entire meal for me? Today, I let artificial intelligence design my entire 3-course meal, from appetizer to dessert. But the big question is, will it actually taste good? Or will it be an absolute disaster? I asked ChatGPT to create a fancy meal, and here's what it came up with. Let's show the menu on screen. Appetizer: truffle Parmesan garlic bruschetta. Main course: creamy sun-dried tomato and basil pasta. Dessert: chocolate lava cake with raspberry coulis. Okay, this actually sounds kinda fancy, but let's see if these AI recipes actually work. Chapter 1, AI Appetizer: truffle Parmesan garlic bruschetta. Step 1, toast the bread. Easy enough. Step 2, mix garlic, olive oil, and truffle oil. Okay, AI is getting bougie. Step 3, top with Parmesan and fresh herbs. All right, I'm kinda impressed. Toasting bread, mixing ingredients, adding cheese. But if anything goes wrong, okay, moment of truth. Wait, this is actually really good. AI's off to a strong start. Chapter 2, AI main course: creamy sun-dried tomato and basil pasta. All right, AI says, saute garlic, add sun-dried tomatoes, mix with cream and pasta water. Wait, did AI just make a restaurant-level recipe? Let's plate the dish. Honestly, this looks like something from an Italian restaurant. But does it taste like one? What? AI is coming for Italian grandmas now. Chapter 3, AI dessert: chocolate lava cake. Okay, so AI wants me to make a chocolate lava cake. This could either be epic or a complete disaster. Mixing batter, pouring into ramekins, baking if it overflows or collapses. AI, you might have just redeemed yourself. This is insanely good. Final verdict: can AI cook? So, is AI going to take over the culinary world? Honestly, maybe. This meal was surprisingly delicious. AI might not replace chefs just yet, but it sure knows how to make a bomb pasta dish. Let me know in the comments. Would you try an AI-generated meal? And if you liked this challenge, hit that like and subscribe button for more crazy AI experiments. See you in the next one.